The video clip that we just played is performed by artists who were the winner of the Shirock 17, 19, 2017, 18, and 19. And the song is named Our Pride. It's a song that goes back 4 years in its time. The song was written, dedicated to Shirui Lily, talking about its beauty and uniqueness. It not only emotionally carried weight over Shirui Lily, but also the band's utmost love for Ukrul throughout the years. This song now has been remade with the magic of Guru, Ruben, Ashuri, and James Riamai added into it. I hope you all enjoy listening to it, and they are wishing everyone a very happy Shirui festival.
Hello, crew! Are you ready to roll and roll again? Are you excited? Yes, I can see thousands of people lined up today. Thank you all for coming out. And today we have a very, very important band. They're getting ready. They'll be here with us in a few minutes' time. Are you excited for the band? Who is going to perform us tonight? Do you have any guesses? Who's going to perform tonight? I can't hear you. Louder, please. I still can't hear you. Which band is going to perform tonight? Right. They'll be here in a few minutes. And just before they perform, you know that today we're going to announce the result for the band competition as well. Right? The band competition 2022, Shirock 2022 results will be declared in a few moments' time. The winner will be awarded with a cash prize of 10 lakh rupees. Right? First runners-up will be awarded with 5 lakh rupees. And the third position, the second runners-up will be awarded with 2 lakhs 50,000 rupees. 6 outstanding individuals will be awarded with 25,000 each. So do you have any guesses which band will be the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition? Any guesses? Sorry? Which band do you think is going to be the winner of Shirock 2022 band competition? Right. They all have chances. All the bands which you just mentioned, they all have high chances to be the winner. Right? So it will be announced to you in a few moments' time. Are you enjoying Shirock 2022? Did you have fun? Right. Tonight is the final day. The final day of Shirock 2022. Let us all have fun. Right? Let's enjoy. Let's make it a very memorable night. Are you with me? Shall we make it a historic night? Right. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you, my co-host of the night, Miss... Does anyone know her name? All right. Miss Shanting Shaiza, my co-host of the night.
Hello,
well, let's welcome her.
How is it going? You ready to rock tonight? Are you ready to rock tonight? Can I hear it louder? All right, so you all know the band that's performing tonight. Can we shout the name of the band once again? We're going to do this. This side on my left-hand side, this side right in front of me, and this side on my right-hand side. Let's see which side shouts the loudest. Do you want to do this? Okay, we're going to start from the right side, okay? Monuments. That's how we're going to do it. Monuments. Okay, let's start. On the right-hand side, people. We're
we
gonna
go.
do monuments. 2, 3, go!
Monuments, monuments.
Monuments. Come on, people on the left hand side, you gotta do better than that. People on the left. Amazing. Thank you so much for participating. We all are waiting for the bands to come out, and they will be here very shortly. In the meantime, let's keep up the energy going and wait for them. Thank you so much. We will be back very shortly. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as my co-host just said, the band will be here in a couple of minutes. In the meantime, let's not lose our energy. Do we have the energy for the whole night? Yes? All right. Urkel, make a louder noise. Come on. The monuments, before they take the stage, they want the energy of the audience high, at the highest level. Can we do that? Yeah? Can we audience be the best audience for this great band? Can we do that tonight? Yeah? Let's make this night an unforgettable night for every one of us. Can we do that? Are we here for that? Right. Let's keep up the energy. Let's keep the momentum going. We'll be here till the very late night, as late as we can be. All right? This time, I'm told that the concert gets over very early. Do you want to have fun longer than the previous nights? Do you want to go on? All right. Your wish will be granted tonight. We'll have fun. All right? See you in a couple of minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Have fun.
Let's play the video clip once again.
go now. I watch you stand now. You're in your place, only your place. I find you standing tall. I see you shining bright. You let us fall apart. Your beauty catches us.
All right, guys. Which is the band? Which is the band you're referring to? Monuments, right? Yes, they'll be here with you shortly. Just before we start, we the people from Northeast are known as music lovers, right? Are we music lovers? We are. Yes, that's right. I like the energy. The organizers would like to know if people from different states are represented here. All right. So I want to see your hands. I want to see you shout and scream if you are from the state which I'm going to mention. All right. Is there anyone from Assam? From the state of Assam? All right. Good crowd. What about Meghalaya? All right. Thank you. What about Nagaland? Anyone from Nagaland here? Wow, that's a good number. What about the Mizoram? Are there any Mizos in the crowd? Yes. What about Tripura? Anyone from Tripura? All right. Some people seems to be from all the states. That's good. What about Arunachal Pradesh? Any Arunachalis here? All right. What about Manipur? Anyone from Manipur here? Wow. All right. We're in the state of Manipur, so the number is not so surprising. We'll cut it down to the districts. All right. Anyone from Senapati here? Anyone from Senapati? All right. What about Churachandpur? Anyone from Churachandpur? Chandel? Tamenglong? All right. What about Imphal East? Imphal West? Kaching? Tobal? Bishnupur? Jiribam? Farzol? Noni? All right. Very much well represented. What about the people of Ukrul? Yes, this is the kind of energy the monument wants. The monuments wants to hype up the energy. Only then they'll be ready to perform. All right, we're all music lovers here. We're going to enjoy the night, right? Let's enjoy responsibly, right? Okay, all right. They'll be here with us shortly. Keep it up with us, okay? Thank you.
Something's wrong, set the light, heavy drops tonight, and the air I'm so wide. Dreams of war, dreams of liars, dreams of dragons fire, and the things that will bite. Sleep with one eye open, grip me your pillow tight, and see the light in the night. Take my hand.
Check, check, check. Well, guys, we're gonna announce the result for Shirock 2022 band competition winner. So, requesting all the band competitors to please come in front of the stage. Requesting all the band members, the competitors of Shirock 2022 band competition, please come in front of the stage.
Come as you are, as you were, as I want you to be, as a friend, as a friend, as an old enemy. Take your time, hurry up. The choice is yours, don't be late. Take a rest, as a friend, as an old enemy. Yeah, memory.
Calling the attention of all the band performed in the Shirock contest to kindly report in front of the stage where there's a box. In front of the stage, there's a box, you need to report there. All the artists and the band who are there for the competition are requested to kindly report as soon as possible, because we are trying to announce the result of the Shirock 2022.
Check. It looks like all the band competitors are ready, right? Are you guys ready for the result announcement of Shirock 2022 rock band competition? I think the winner is the bodybuilding yesterday's show. Shall we begin? You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Louder, louder, louder!
much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. I never opened myself this way. Love is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. I never care for what they do. I never care for what they know. But I know, yeah. So close, no matter how far. I couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. I never care for what they do. I never care for what they know. But I know, yeah, that's right.
Check. Check.
I never opened myself.
We would like to request Chief Guest of the Day, Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, to kindly come forward to the stage and help with the felicitation to the winners of Shirock 2022 band competition. Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Government of Manipur. We'd also like to request Sri Ram Moiva, Honorable MLA of 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, to kindly come forward and take the stage and help us with the felicitation to the winners of Shirock 2022 band competition. Let's give it up. Let's give it up for the MLA of 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, Sri Ram Moiva. Thank you.
Should I start? Should I?
Okay. 넌 누구? SVD. Yeah, call him.
He wants to say something?
We would like to request Sri Kushim Bashum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry Department and Veterinary Department and Transport Department, Government of Manipur, to kindly come up to the stage and help us with the felicitation of the winners of Shirock 2022 band competition. Sri Kushimvashum. Honorable Minister, you are kindly requested to come up to the stage and help us in felicitating the winners. Thank you.
Turn by turn, we'll take. I'll first. Hello, crew! We have the result of the Rock Band Competition 2022. Are you excited to know? Hello, bands in the front. How are you feeling? Feel your heart. What's it saying? Touch your heart. I have the result right here in front of me, and we shall start with the individual prize. Okay? Are you ready? Who's going to give away what then? Who's going to give away what? For the best vocal?
We would also like to request the presence of Sri Leishio Keshing, Honorable MLA of 43 Pungyar Assembly Constituency, to kindly come up to the stage and felicitate the...
Now the best vocal. We will start with the best vocal, which will be given away by Sir Ramuiva, the Ukhrul MLA. The best vocal, Shirock 2022.